welcome back to Shay's Kitchen, everyone. Today we are making something that I have been telling you I would make for you guys, that it would be coming soon. And today we are finally making it. Today we are making some homemade hush puppies. Yes, you heard it right. I'm finally making them for you guys. We got sugar, flour, some cornmeal. We got our beer, which is the good keto ingredient. We got our baking powder. We have our seasonings, 2 eggs, and some seasoned oil. Now you can do fresh veggies in here, and I usually do. But because I have other things going, we're going to put these in here. Now these right here, as you can see, are not frozen. I have let them sit out to room temperature so that they will not be frozen in our mix, which we're going to let it sit anyways. But we're going to put all this together and make something lovely. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys. So what we are going to start with is my basic cornbread recipe. Now you can have yellow meal or white meal, it don't matter. I've even added fish seasoning to it in substitute of the cornmeal. So get, hey, do however you feeling. So this is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour. We have 1 cup of our cornmeal. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of our baking powder. Okay. Open up this seasoning here. Okay, and I'm going to use almost half a bag. Okay. Put that in the freezer for me, son. Our 2 eggs. Okay. And we are going to put our seasonings in. Now, like anything else that I say, the more you let it set, the more those flavors will set in and help you. Okay, you can season it how you like. This is some slap your mama. Not actually doing that because I am not liable for that. Some Cavenders. Can never go wrong with these two. Okay. We have some onion powder. And we have some pepper. Okay. And then we have our magic ingredient, which is that good old burr. Now, I don't prefer Budweiser. I usually do Bud Light or Coors or Michelob. And those are because that's what I drink. This is really my husband. I do Michelob or Coors Light. And you're going to pour enough. You're going to stop and you're going to mix it. See how much you need because sometimes it does vary. I usually use about a half a can of beer. There's a half a can right there. Because you don't want it too thin. You want it to stay thick. This is what makes your hush puppies fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy. And then, shoot, you get to drink the rest of it. Okay. So what you are going to do, guys, I usually let it sit in the refrigerator anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour. And it will thicken up. See what that beer doing to it? That's what it's supposed to do. what it's supposed to do. Now, if you put a little bit too much in there, that is perfectly fine. All you got to do is add you a little flour and a little cornmeal. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I ain't gonna lie. I think I might put just a little bit of some fish seasoning up in here. I've been debating doing it. Some keep telling me just to put a little in there for that flavor, because y'all know how I am about flavor. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. I mean, you never know how something gonna taste to experiment. I done tried this before. All it does is add flavor to it. Okay, guys. And it's best, you can even actually make this overnight. So when you get up tomorrow or however you're going to do it, it'll be ready. Okay. And this is our Hush Puppy mix, guys. And we're going to put it in the fridge. Okay, as you guys can see, it has thickened up. So I'm going to take my spoon like this. I'm going to pour it in there together like that. Don't worry about the little pieces. That's what we're going to be eating on later on too. If you do it in your cast iron skillet, it is a little bit easier. Okay. I just do my little pieces like this. Flip them over. Still you want. Go ahead. I know that's what you're trying to do. There, go. Okay. You're going to let them cook long enough for them to turn brown. So you got the crisp on the outside and the fluffiness in the inside. Like I said, if you do it in a cast iron skillet, it is a lot easier. But I'm cooking the onion rings, the Hush Puppies, and the fish nuggets all in the deep fryer today. We're going to get it all done quick, fast, and in a hurry. Okay. These are nice and golden brown. So we're going to take these out. Okay, guys, and these are our Hush Puppies. Fire. Fire, guys. They fluffy in the inside, but crunchy on the outside, like they supposed to be. Make some onion rings also to go with these fish nuggets. So till the next video, guys, stay cool with Shay's Kitchen. Bye, family.